Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix LG dryer error code D90. So guys, first thing is just simply turn off and unplug the dryer for safety. Now just simply remove and clean the lint filter completely. And now just simply disconnect the vent hose from the dryer's back and remove any lint or obstructions inside. And now just simply check the duct to the outside from the lint built up and clean with a vent brush or a vacuum and inspect the wall or duct vent. Now just simply reattach the vent hose securely and plug it in and run a short cycle to see if the error code clears. Now, if the error is still showing, you may need to call for a professional service to fix the issue for the airflow sensors or internal duct cleaning. There you go. See ya.